For centuries, people all over the world have turned to warm herbal tea for comfort, healing, and calm. But what if I told you there's one specific tea that's quietly been shown to outperform prescription drugs in some studies, yet almost no one over 60 knows about it? In fact, this tea works so well for pain, inflammation, blood pressure, digestion, and even memory loss that many pharmaceutical companies quietly avoid talking about it. Why? Because you can grow it in your backyard. You can brew it in your kitchen. And once you start drinking it daily, many of your nagging health symptoms, especially the ones that come with aging, start to fade. So why is this being hidden? Before we reveal the name of this tea, let's pause for a second and look at the bigger picture. As we age, our bodies begin to slow down in ways that are often painful and frustrating. Your knees hurt when you get up. Your digestion gets sluggish. Your sleep becomes shallow. Your memory skips a beat. Your medications keep adding up, one after another, until your kitchen counter becomes a pharmacy. But what if nature has already given us a way to ease those symptoms, without the side effects, without the chemical burden, and without the financial cost? That's where this tea comes in. The one we're about to explore is loaded with compounds that reduce inflammation, cleanse your liver, calm your nerves, and even sharpen your brain. And yet, in most doctors' offices, it's never mentioned. Most people just assume tea is something mild and cozy, not something that could transform your health. But some teas are far more powerful than we've been led to believe. And among them, one reigns supreme for people over 60. It's called Tulsi tea, also known as holy basil. And for seniors, it's nothing short of a miracle in a cup. Tulsi has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. In India, it's considered sacred. But what makes it especially interesting today is the growing body of scientific research proving its benefits for modern health problems. Problems that seniors struggle with every day. And the results are nothing short of extraordinary. Let's start with inflammation, the hidden enemy behind joint pain, arthritis, fatigue, and even heart disease. Tulsi tea contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, including eugenol and arsenic acid. These naturally occurring molecules target the same inflammation pathways as over-the-counter drugs, but without the damage to your stomach lining or liver. In fact, many seniors who drink Tulsi tea daily report reduced knee pain, less stiffness in their hands, and improved flexibility. Some even say it works better than ibuprofen or acetaminophen. And since it doesn't interfere with most medications, it can often be added safely to your daily routine. Now let's talk about stress. Seniors deal with a unique kind of stress: loss of loved ones, health concerns, financial pressures, and loneliness. Over time, chronic stress damages your heart, weakens your immune system, and clouds your mind. Tulsi tea is one of the most potent adaptogens on earth, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress, restore balance, and calm your nervous system without sedating you. Unlike prescription anxiety meds, which often come with side effects like drowsiness or confusion, Tulsi gently reduces cortisol levels and lifts your mood. Seniors who drink Tulsi regularly say they feel calmer, more focused, and less overwhelmed by daily life. But the magic doesn't stop there. Let's move to something many seniors battle every single day: high blood pressure. The older we get, the more our arteries stiffen, and the harder our heart must work to pump blood. Over time, this raises the risk of stroke, heart failure, and kidney damage. But multiple studies have shown that Tulsi tea contains vasodilating compounds that help relax blood vessels, reduce resistance, and improve circulation, naturally. One clinical trial even found that drinking Tulsi tea for just 4 weeks led to significant drops in systolic and diastolic blood pressure in older adults. That's not just impressive, it's life-changing. Now let's talk about blood sugar. Seniors are at the highest risk for type 2 diabetes, and even those without a diagnosis often struggle with insulin resistance or fluctuating blood sugar levels. Tulsi tea helps regulate blood glucose by enhancing insulin sensitivity and slowing carbohydrate absorption in the gut. That means fewer sugar spikes, more balanced energy, and reduced cravings. Many people who sip Tulsi tea after meals notice fewer crashes, better digestion, and improved focus. Speaking of digestion, Tulsi tea is also a powerful ally for seniors struggling with bloating, acid reflux, or sluggish bowels. Unlike harsh laxatives or antacids, Tulsi tea soothes the stomach lining, stimulates bile production, and encourages regular elimination, all without disrupting your body's natural rhythm. And if you've ever struggled with constipation, especially due to medications or reduced activity, this tea can help restore gentle balance. But perhaps the most exciting benefit of all is Tulsi's effect on memory, focus, and brain aging. Seniors often notice that names slip away, tasks feel harder, or their thinking feels foggy. It's not your fault, it's part of how the brain ages. But Tulsi tea contains unique compounds that protect neurons from damage, increase circulation to the brain, and support the production of feel-good neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. Some researchers are now studying Tulsi's potential in protecting against cognitive decline and dementia. While it's not a cure, it offers real support for mental clarity and emotional well-being. With all these benefits, pain relief, stress control, blood pressure balance, blood sugar support, digestion, and brain health, you might wonder, why isn't every senior being told to drink this tea? The answer, sadly, is that natural remedies don't generate profit. Pharmaceutical companies can't patent a plant. There's no billion-dollar advertising campaign for something you can grow in your garden. And most doctors simply aren't trained in herbal medicine. That's why something as powerful as Tulsi tea remains hidden in plain sight, known to ancient cultures, celebrated in wellness circles, but virtually ignored in modern senior care. And that's exactly why this video exists, to give you back the power to heal naturally. So how do you use Tulsi tea correctly? It's simple. Buy organic Tulsi tea bags. They're widely available online and in most health stores. Steep one bag in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink it once or twice daily, ideally after meals or during the evening to relax your mind. For a stronger brew, you can simmer loose Tulsi leaves in a pot of water for 15 minutes and strain before drinking. Some seniors even add ginger, lemon, or honey for flavor and extra benefits. Within days or weeks, many people begin to notice subtle changes. Less joint stiffness, deeper sleep, calmer moods, smoother digestion. Over time, these small changes add up to a bigger transformation, a body that works better, a mind that thinks clearer, and a heart that feels more at peace. But a word of caution: while Tulsi tea is generally safe, it's still a powerful plant. If you're on blood thinners, blood pressure meds, or diabetes medications, talk to your doctor before making it a daily habit. You may need to adjust your dose as your body responds to the tea, because it works. And that's the beautiful part. Nature isn't trying to replace your medicine cabinet. It's trying to restore the balance your body was born to have. Tulsi isn't a miracle drug. It's a mirror, a reminder that sometimes, the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones. So the next time your joints ache, your stomach feels off, or your mind feels foggy, don't just reach for a pill. Brew yourself a cup of Tulsi tea. Sit quietly, sip slowly, and feel what your body has been waiting for, real relief, without the side effects. And remember, aging doesn't have to mean decline. It can mean wisdom, healing, and rediscovery. You deserve to feel good in your body. You deserve to thrive, not just survive. And sometimes, that starts with something as small and sacred as a daily cup of tea. If this message resonated with you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest senior health advice, and share this with a friend who needs it. Because we believe in real health, not hidden truths.